Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 3.8-inch sharp screen from CCFL to our SB44 series LED kit. This kit comes with one LED strips, SB44 series, one drivers, and one connected with two wires, red and black. Okay. So let's take a look at the screen. The screen is actually made by SHARP. It's called LQ038Q5DR01. It's original using a U-shaped lamp, like this. The wire come up this side. So because we can just using one straight LED, put it on the longer side, and show you on. First of all, we set aside the video kit, LED kit for a second, and as you can see, there's two metal clips we need to straighten out and then to take it out. So basically, just using I'm using a long nose. You see this? Okay. Then I'm gonna use a flat head. Start with this side. Okay. So second, it's a we gotta remove this circuit board by simply flip up this plastic clip. Oops. See, like this. Take it out. So next thing, we need to take out the front cover. This one. Let me peel off the protective film. Easier. So you just take it out. Make sure this one is not on its way. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Disconnect this one, right? Let's take out this. Oh, there's another clip here. See that? There's two more on this side. I need to do it. See, two more here. Okay. Now, see this? Now we can take it out. Let me see. Okay, here we go. We take it out. The front metal. We can also take out the circuit board, I believe so. Yeah, but we had to disconnect this first, connectors. Okay. All right. Let me see. Okay, so we took out the circuit board. So next thing, we need to take out this liquid glass by this, see, plastic clip here and here each side. So I'm going to do one at a time. See here. And this end, also right here under the wire, there's also clip too, see that? So we're going to take it out. Now, this end too. Here we go. Okay, we took out the liquid glass and also a part of the diffusion sheet. You see this lamp, it's here. So I'm using this knife. It's a little bit easy to handle. It's open up three sides already. See, like this. Okay, take it out. Take it out. I'm gonna take out. And first, I forgot. I need to loosen up this wire first. See that? All right. So we take out the plexiglass first. Here. Then you get all these lamps. Oh, there's indicate light here for that. Okay. All right. So take it out already. So what we do is that we're gonna mount it right here. Mount our strip just right there. Original was mount like this. So why I come up from this side? So I'm gonna do it like this. Just like this. You see this? Okay, I'm going to peel it off. Well, before I do that, I'm going to try to put the plexiglass back. See if there's any problem or not. But no problem. It looks pretty good. Okay. So peel it off. Okay, mount it right there in the middle. show you. See that? The wire will become up this side. Just like that. Okay? Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to put this plexi glass back. Oops. Yeah. Okay. You're going to cover it back. Just like that. Or you can take it out. You can cut it if that's on the way. Okay. Next thing, we're going to put back this liquid glass. I think this is the right way. Nice. Yep. Okay, snaps right back. Yep. Perfect. So, and then we're going to put this right here. I think we should put this one first. Maybe, I think. Now, let me try to put the module back first. See if that's the right one or not. But, yep, that's the right way. So in that case, we're gonna make sure this clip bend it back. This end too. All right, so we're gonna put this cable back, right? And then we're gonna put this one back, and I'm gonna just, because I have no way to input this signal, I can just test the back like that. Okay, for this video. Hello, I just put this back cover back, and one thing I want to mention is I made a mistake. For this 2 clicks, we cannot bend it back. We had to only bend it after we put this back cover in and bend it. Otherwise, you cannot put this right in. So you can also add a piece of tip to secure a wire, but in this case, and then you can mount the inverter anywhere on the back. It's really compact, or whatever the available locations. For the lamp, you can connect to either one connectors. So let's connect to a 24 volt. Well, you can connect to 24 volt, sharp 24 volt DCs. So remember, we only install one SB44 series. It's actually pretty bright. So, okay. Anyway, thank you for watching.